What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I want to show you how to create a second YouTube channel, or third or fourth or fifth. So YouTube has actually kind of changed it up on how you're able to kind of create a second or another YouTube channel within the same Gmail account. It used to be fairly simple. You used to just click into switch account and it would just kind of pop up over there. Now that's not actually the case. For some reason you can't really do it there. There's a weird place, I can't even find it from the settings itself, where Google actually tells you within their I guess their about us section or their informative section. They don't really explain in detail how to get there. So what you want to actually do is you want to open up another tab and you want to basically type in www.youtube.com/account. When you do this, you're going to basically come up in this section over here, and you can see over here where it says add or manage your channels. So this is basically where you go. Like I said, it's a little bit weird why, but you click into add or manage channels and voila, you will see over here you can click into the create a channel section and then create whatever channel you're trying to, the other channel that you're trying to create. Just press into this, ignore all the other channels I got, but you basically press into this and voila, you'll come to the create a channel section or page. So yeah, like I said, it's a little weird why Google kind of makes it a little bit more complicated than it should be. I feel like it should just be literally you click into the switch account and it should be plus create a channel. That is it. But obviously it's not. So I just wanted to make that quick tutorial showing you guys how to essentially do it. It's a fairly simple and easy process as long as you know what the hell's going on. If you don't, then you're kind of lost. It's not a fairly easy and simple process. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button. Helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And that Mo Tutorials out. Peace.